Here's a brief rundown of the parts that are on here. This is kind of the idealized winter bike. We've got a fairly complete fender setup here. The front fender comes down just about to the 90 position on the front, and then down to the ground on the bottom. A little bit of a scoop action going there, so deep water isn't as friendly, but does pretty well in this light rain. We've got pretty good combination of angles on the front. Fork rake, of course, is 28. With the shorter fork on this bike, 74-degree head angle, and that drops the bottom bracket a little bit too, so it's a nice stable ride. Fairly long chain stays, gives you lots of room for a big tire, running 34 on the back. And again, pretty complete fender on the back. Not as low in the back as we'd like, but that could be extended if I do a ride with other people. So yeah, just a bare minimum fender setup. Power to max track crank, of course, because those are the easiest chain rings to get one by. And yeah, just a basic winter bike, 1134 in the back. Coming around the other side, just to give you the full complete. Got some lights, just enough to keep you safe. Running GRX on the front right now, just because it came with the bike. And yeah, of course we're running a saddlebag for convenience and aerodynamics. Fits everything you need and saves you some energy riding down the road. It's about, in this configuration, probably about 6 or 8 watts of savings to have the bag on there. That's about it. Yeah, it's a pretty sharp looking bike. Probably take the fenders off and race this in a few races this spring, but yeah, other than that, just a nice narrow setup. The fork may not be as aerodynamic as possible, but it sure does handle nicely. Yeah. Fairly high handlebar position, just for winter riding. Wearing a lot more clothes, so you can't get down as low in the winter, so raise the handlebars up a little bit. But yeah, other than that, we're really happy with this bike. Brodie did a really nice job with this one. Nice versatile bike. It's got room for probably about a 40C tire in the stock configuration, so you could really gravel it if you want, or convert it to a really nice road bike if you want. That's about it. Thanks.